Let's talk about Facebook for a second. First of all, in today's day and age, it is probably the most powerful tool that we have there for selling cars. So you got to make sure that you're separating the two. You have Facebook Marketplace and you have regular Facebook. Regular Facebook is for how-tos and branding. No selling whatsoever. Don't try to sell a car on regular Facebook because it just doesn't work. Nobody cares about the sales that you're having or interest rates or any of that kind of stuff. What they want to know is how to do stuff. So the more how-to videos and informative videos that you produce, the better your content is. And make sure that in those videos you're tagging as many people as possible, and you always turn your location on to show the dealership that you're at, what you're doing, and who you're with. Also, in the top of the video, you want to make sure that the information that's in the video, you've also spelled it out for you in that tagline with your name and your phone number and everything else. So just remember, that's for branding and how-to videos. Marketplace, which in Marketplace, you want to make sure you are in at least 10 buy and sell groups, minimum of 10 buy and sell groups that are buy, sell, trade, barter, that kind of stuff, not garage sales or anything else. But Marketplace is really determined for used cars. That is one of the best avenues to sell used cars in. So what you want to do is you want to take at least 10 to 12 pictures of it, put the VIN number, the miles, all the different stuff in there. Make sure the description's good. Make sure that you're being informative about the dealership that you work with, and get some great description about the vehicle in there. Make sure you get with your manager first as far as the price or the payment is concerned. Don't just do that on your own from what it is. Okay, and your first two pictures that you put on Marketplace should be the two L's of the vehicle. In other words, the front and driver's side in one picture and the rear and passenger side in one picture, and this will absolutely cover the whole entire car in your first two shots, and then the other 10 you can make whatever you want, but just make them relevant. So just remember, Marketplace is where you sell, and regular Facebook is where you brand and show how-tos. So go close that deal.